Hi, y'all. This is the Southern lady, and I'm whispering because there are people sleeping in the house right now. I wanted to make this video for you to talk to you about your sleep. Sleep is so important, so important. I can't express to you enough how important sleep is. It heals your body. It heals your body, okay? That's why you should not eat something before you go to bed, because then your body is trying to digest the food instead of it repairing your body, okay? Now, I know there's some exceptions. Some people feel like they have to take a little snack of something to take their medication. Okay, you're the exception if that's what your doctor says to do, but I'm talking about the majority of people. If you don't have to do anything like that, then you should not be eating before bed. So then you can heal your body. Your body will heal itself instead of trying to digest all that food that's in your stomach. Now, I thought in my younger years, well, I'm still young, but you know, my younger years, okay? I thought I could burn the candle at both ends and not get very much sleep. I was like, I don't need much sleep. I don't need much sleep. It's kind of like in the United States, we brag about how much sleep we don't get because everyone's trying to compete with everybody else with like the rat race or something. Like the American dream. Okay, but anyways, that's another topic for another video. Okay, right now we're talking about sleep. What was my point? Rat race, younger years. Oh yeah, burning the candle at both ends. So I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer, but I seriously did not take sleep seriously did I not take sleep? Okay, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. You can GTS it. You know what that means? I just learned that means Google that shit. Google that shit. You can GTS it, how to improve your sleep. I can't list in this video all the different ways, okay? They say to have blackout curtains, go to bed at the same time each night, get up at the same time each morning, and not eat before bed. And there's just, it's countless how many things you can do to improve your sleep. So if you GTS it, there's so many different ways. Now, I hope that you have the most magnificent day, that you don't take this day for granted, because let me tell you, there might not be a tomorrow. You know, hell, there might not even be a tonight, okay? So don't be taking this life for granted. Go out, live it.